Okay, so welcome back to my channel. Here we have 3 order of operations problems that I hope will help to clarify how these are to be done. Let's look at number 1. Now, before we do number 1, I'm going to write the rules for the orders of operations up top in mnemonic form. P, E, M, D, A, S. P for parentheses, E for exponents, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, S for subtraction. Now, let's look at number 1. In number 1, we have negative 2 plus 8 minus negative 6 plus negative 4. First, scan the problem, look from left to right. Then look for anything that can be simplified with regards to signs. Now, these two signs are the same and they're facing each other, so they combine to give a positive sign. These two signs right here are opposite signs. One is positive, one is negative. They combine to give a negative. So that is a first simplification that you must do. And we end up now with negative 2 plus 8 plus 6 minus 4. The second thing that we're going to do is we're going to scan through the problem again from left to right, and we recognize that we only have subtraction and addition. This means that we must work the problem from left to right, just like this, left to right. So we do negative 2 plus 8, which gives positive 6, plus 6 minus 4. Next step, we continue working the problem, simplifying it even further. We get 6 plus 6, which gives 12, minus 4, which gives 8. And so that's our final answer. Number 2. 10 squared minus 8 divided by 4. 10 squared minus 8 divided by 4. How do we do this problem? We first of all refer to the rules. The rules say parentheses must be done first. There are no parentheses. Exponents must be done next. There's an exponent here. We have to do that next. So we do 10 to the second power, which the 2 tells us that we must write 10 multiplied by 10, which gives 100, okay? 10 times 10, which gives 100. Minus 8 divided by 4. Now, having done 10 times 10 to get 100, the next thing that we do is we do not subtract. Do not subtract. That would be wrong. Do not subtract. Do not subtract. Because if you do that, that would mean that you're breaking the rules that says that multiplication and division have a higher priority than subtraction. So we have to instead do this. We have to do negative 8 divided by 4, which gives negative 2. Let the problem determine the sign for you. So that gives negative 2. So now we have 100 minus 2, which is 98. And that is the correct answer. Let us look at number 3. For number 3, it's a little longer, but the same principles apply. 8 divided by 1 plus 10. 8 divided by 1 plus 10 minus 2 times 10. 2 times 10. How do we do such a problem? Once again, we scan through the problem from left to right, examining the problem to see if there's any parentheses. There's none. Look to see if there's any exponent. None. Look to see if there's any multiplication or division, because they have the same priority. And we see one right here. So we have to do that first. 8 divided by 1 gives 8. Then we put everything else down. 10 minus 2 times 10. The next thing, we scan through the problem again. Scan through, going from left to right. Do we see any multiplication or division? Yes, we see a multiplication here. We must do negative 2 times 10. And why do I circle the minus sign? Because the sign of every number is to the left of it. So the minus sign to the left of the 2 belongs to the 2. It doesn't belong to the 10. So what we have now is negative 2 times 10, which gives negative 20. So we can go ahead and write 8 plus 10 minus 20, which is the same as negative 20. Scan through again. Go from left to right. Scan through the problem. Scan through the signs, and we see that we have an addition sign and we have a subtraction sign. We must do this by going from left to right with our operation. So we are going to do 8 plus 10, which is 18, minus 20. And eventually, 18 minus 20 will give us the final answer of negative 2. Why is it negative 2? Just think of it like a bank account. You have $18 and the bank pays a bill for you for negative $20 or $20, which means that you're overdrawn by $2, which is why the minus sign is there. And this is the correct answer. Like, subscribe, and share if you want more of these videos. And even if you don't want more of these videos, I will be putting them up because I know they're helpful for the students and it makes sense for me to do them. Thank you.